guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. If you are new here, hello. Today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig that I have in. Okay, so this wig is from IShow Hair. So guys, let's jump into the unboxing portion.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
I'm really happy with it. It is an HD lace. I bleached the knots as you guys saw earlier. The wig is laid, but it's not styled yet. This is in its original wet state. I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like in this state here. I did not pluck the hairline. All I did was I plucked the baby hairs, but I didn't remove any hair from here. This hair is in 24 inches. It comes down to basically my belly button. I'm gonna dry the hair. the wig styled. I'm gonna leave all the information about this wig in the description box below. It's beautiful, you guys. This is a body wave texture wig, and I got it bone straight. I don't have any product in the hair like this part. I just obviously put some mousse on and hairspray just to hold it in place for this style. I did kind of a side part on this wig because I usually always do middle part. I just love middle parts, but today I decided to do a curved side part for you guys. Hopefully, you know, you enjoy the fact that I'm switching it up for you. It is super soft. I love the fact that it gets bone straight like this, and it has a nice natural luster. Hair is from IShow Hair. I'm gonna leave all that information in the description box for you guys. I love the hairline. It's already pre-plucked, so it just looks natural. It feels very soft. My hands are running through it like it's silk. The hair and the knots are tied so tightly, you guys. Like, just when I was trying to pluck the few baby hairs out, I was kind of struggling. They are secure in there. The knots are a little bit larger, but I think that's because they want them to stay in. So I definitely recommend it. The hair has no smell to it. I wanted to just show you guys. Ooh, my flat iron is hot. Okay, so that's just me bumping the end of the wig. You guys, I'm definitely going to be doing an update video on this hair. I'm really impressed with how it feels. It's super lightweight. That's what it looks like in the back. So I'm gonna rock it straight, and I just wanted to show you guys that, of course, the body wave texture does hold a curl really nicely. I do recommend this hair company. Just off of what I can tell already, it feels really good. Watch the video until the end, subscribe. I got to go. Bye.